In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Shopify store. This is a useful setup when you are still building your site, adding products, or making design changes, and you want to keep the store private until it is ready. The method we will use is Shopify's built-in password protection, which limits access so only people with the password can view your storefront. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the back end of your store where you manage products, themes, orders, and settings. Once you are inside the admin, look at the menu on the left side and go to Online Store. Then select Preferences. This area includes important settings related to how your store appears to visitors, including visibility. On the Preferences page, scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. Take your time while scrolling, because this section can be farther down the page depending on your screen size. When you see Password Protection, check the box that says Limit Access to Visitors with the Password. As soon as you enable this option, your store becomes hidden from the general public. Visitors who try to access your storefront will be stopped at a password page instead of seeing your homepage and product pages. Next, enter a password that you will use to access the site. Choose something you can remember and share only with people you want to grant access to, like team members, collaborators, or a client reviewing the store. Keep it secure, because anyone with this password can view the storefront while it is protected. You can also add a message for visitors. This is optional, but it is helpful if you want to display a short note such as a launch announcement or a simple statement that the store is temporarily unavailable while you prepare for opening. Finally, click Save at the top or bottom of the page to apply your changes. Saving is important because your settings will not take effect until you do. After you save, you can open your store link in a private or incognito browser window to confirm that the password screen appears. And that is all there is to it.